Hello, I will be showing you about the phases of Venus. My name is Jeweliza, and I will be showing you I'll be teaching you about Venus. Today I'm going to tell you about the phases of Venus. If you look at Venus in a telescope, you will look like it is changing shape. Galileo was the first person to discover this. Sometimes when you look at Venus, it will look like a crescent. Sometimes it looks like half of a disc, and sometimes it looks like a full disc. And sometimes you cannot see it at all. This is called the phases of Venus, which means that Venus's orbit the sun like the moon. Venus is sometimes all black because it's between the Earth and the sun. The planets reflect the sunlight to be seen. Venus is between the Earth and the sun. It reflects the light because back to the sun, not to the Earth. So Venus will look dark because we do not see any light coming to it. When Venus is behind the sun, it looks like a bright disk or a full moon because the side facing the sun reflects light back to the Earth. When Venus is to one side of the sun, only half of the planet can reflect light back to the Earth, so that the planet is seen as half of a disk, and sometimes only a crescent can reflect light back to the Earth. So we see Venus as a thin crescent. At different points in the orbit, all put a silver crescent and reflect light back to the Earth so we can see most of the planet. Now I will show you the phases of Venus in action, using a rock to represent Venus and a flashlight to represent Sun.